Hi, today we are using Canvas to access our BSCC classes. Canvas is the learning platform used to access class information, assignments, and submit any coursework. To log into your Canvas account, click on the link on the BSCC website and you will use the same login information as your OneACCS account. Remember, the username is the first letter of your first name, your full last name, the last four digits of your A number, followed by @student.bscc.edu. The password is capital BSCC, then your 6-digit birthday. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the dashboard. Depending on what classes you're taking, you will have boxes on the dashboard with the classes you're registered for. In this example, I'm registered for Psychology 200. Let's take a look at this class. Instructors can set up their classes differently. Some instructors might use weekly modules and have all the assignments grouped together in one section. Some might just have assignments on the assignments page. The important thing is to log into your classes as soon as classes begin so you can familiarize yourself with the class. As you can see here, we have a welcome page with some overview information. One of the first things you'll want to locate is the syllabus. The syllabus is your guide to the course and what will be expected of you while in the course. Generally, it will include course policies, rules, regulations, grading information, and required text. Next, let's look at the modules. Section 0 looks like a course orientation. Section 1 is getting into chapters 1 and 2. There are readings, required activities, a review, a video, and some course objectives listed here. This instructor has modules for different chapters of the textbook and assignments. You can also see your grades for the assignments you have submitted. Is a test, you have some homework to do. You can also see announcements on the Announcements tab. If something has changed in the class or the instructor wants to make sure the class is aware of something, they can post an announcement here or send a message through the inbox. You can also message your instructor directly through this feature. Here are a few tips about Canvas. Messages sent to your Canvas inbox will also go to your email. Try to check Canvas daily for any assignments or announcements. Always log onto your Canvas on the first day of class. Instructors will have an introduction activity that will serve as your attendance verification. Failure to complete this activity could result in you being removed from the course, which can affect your financial aid. Be sure to download the Canvas app to your smartphone. To download the Canvas app, search Canvas by Instructor in your App Store. Once you locate the app, download it to your smartphone. The app will look like this. Click Find My School and search Bevill State Community College. You will put your Canvas ID in the app. Once logged into the app, you can see you have all the same access as you would on the dashboard of your desktop Canvas. You can also set notifications to receive a notification if an assignment has posted or there's a new announcement. Please let us know if you have any trouble with Canvas and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.